Good evening to all of you. So today, 3rd August 2021, and like yesterday, I am going to release the performance analysis of our new innovations of trend analyzer using the natural constant. So today, the 3rd August. So 3rd August. So we are in 3rd August 2021. So from the past couple of days, I am releasing this report. So here, open price is one of the input we require, annual volatility we require. Annual volatility, you can take it from the NSE website or you can calculate using this link. So if you want more accuracy, then better use this particular link to calculate the annual volatility from past 10 days data reference. So that will give you more accurate result. So before I should go for this particular event, I will be making one small announcement. So as all of you know, Smart Finance always conducts the authentic, innovative techniques of trading. So we have a program scheduled from 9th August 2021. So it will be happening from evening 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 1 hour every day till 13th September. In between Saturday and Sundays, we have the holidays. So this is a very long program. So 13 sessions in English, 13 sessions in Hindi, and this program registrations are open. So you can, if you are interested, you can register for this event. So it is a 3-module futures and option course. Will happen in English and Hindi. So the topics is been given here. Many interesting option strategies you are going to learn. You are going to learn many fundamental concepts which will make your option trading very easy. So starting from the option pricing model to various strategies. So those are things you are going to learn. And how you can use a monthly portfolio option strategy, how you can build a portfolio and all. That thing also we will learn. So, and last month also we have conducted a complete WT GAN course. So it was also a near to 21 hours of 21 to 22 hours of course it was. So that details also you can get it here. That program is over. So still you can able to buy those recordings. So this particular concept of trading forecast using natural constant is one of the subject in the last program. So last program on the session 9, I have explained this thing. So based on this particular thing, we have also developed this particular web calculator. So coming to today's analysis, as I told to you, it requires 3 simple inputs: open price, days to hold, intraday we will be making it as 1, and annual volatility. So annual volatility, 2 different ways you can take it. Either you can take from the NSE side, or you can just calculate using our web calculator. So which will be taking past 10 days data and give you annual volatility as one of the output. So this will be more authentic and those levels will be very concrete levels. So now today let us test the Nifty. Nifty opened at 15,947. This was the Nifty open price 16,162. So 15,947 Nifty has opened, and you are seeing that 16,162 points it has moved. So 162.9, so I will make it to 163, and it made a low 15,912. So 912, this is the low, and the closing happened at 16,150. So this is the price in which the closing happened. So now just moving to this particular trend forecast tool, wherein we are using the open price So open price I'll be taking as 15,947, and I'll be taking annual volatility 24.90 as per the NSE site. However, this is not a real time. This is the past 365 data reference. So 24.90. So using this data point, if I calculate also, I'll be getting these values. So you can just match with the day's low. So 15,912. So this is the price point. It has bounced back, or low it has created 15,912 today, and 15,912.55 was the low. So here you can say that exactly from this price point it is bounced back. So always I used to say this minor cycle is one of the most important level in this method. All my videos I used to tell that once this golden wing top crossover happened, minor cycle top or bottom is very very important. Once that is a crossover, then you can get the hypercycle top or hypercycle bottom very quickly. So today bounce back happened from 15,912 rupees and 55 paisa. See the level of accuracy. You have taken the calculation from the day's open, and see the closing is happening at 16,150 level Nifty future, so very close to your of cycle 3, so 3 point deviation, and higher also gone just couple of point above that, 15,163, just 10 point it has gone above, and from there it has closed. It is a very good day, and you have seen that how the readings has respected by the market. So with the open price, if you have made the calculation, how this reading is being respected by the market, that is more important. So any forecasting tool should have the property to forecast the price which market should accept. So market should accept, and these are the very easy calculations, very very simple calculations. To learn this method also you can visit this video and learn. I am giving this. So once you go to our website, under the calculator link, you will be getting this calculator trend forecast using natural constant. So I am going for the Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty also will be doing the calculation what happened in the Bank Nifty today. So Bank Nifty opened at 34,825, 34,825, 34,825. This is the opening of the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty annual volatility it is showing as per the NSE data 36.48. 36.48. Again, I will tell this is the past 365 days data reference. If you calculate the volatility using the past 10 days data reference, then your calculations will give you much accurate result. So here all these calculations happened. Now we have to test it. How far we have reached today? So today's high was 35,347. So today's high post opening today it has a made high of 35,347. So this was the high for the day, and low for the day was 34,782. So all this data I am taking from the NSE site, and the Bank Nifty closed at 35,291. 291. So all these value points are the Bank Nifty future value points. So now if I can go to the calculations and compare it, 34, 347, 347. So till the cycle 3, this price point you have 376 was the minor cycle. However, 347 golden wing crossover happened but did not sustain. From there it has fallen. It is closing at 35,291, very close to your first intraday top. So here, so cycle 3 first intraday top, 9 points below that, much above 35 to 65. And days low 782. So 782 you can say in the downside here. So this level it has come, but downside breakout did not happen. So here always I used to say your trading zone. So how you can trade in this? So these three are price points are your entry levels. So in between this you can make an entry 34,859 to 34,882. This is the zone, the price range in which you have to make an entry. However, the most important part for your study should be the minor cycle crossover, minor cycle top crossover, or the minor cycle bottom crossover. Once it happens, very quickly it can go to the hypercycle. Once it achieves the hypercycle, either you can book the profit or wait for the second cycle. So second cycle, if it is starting, then it can give you bigger targets. So using this method, you can do the intraday trade. Intraday trade, I have told you. And once you are entering here, your stop loss should be same process. You can put it as 34,778. This should be your stop loss for buying trade. So if you are entering between 34,860 to 881, you should 34,776 should be your stop loss. And for a better practice, always hedge your future trade. If you are buying a future, you must buy a put option. And if you are selling a future, you must buy a call option. So this is the buying of options. If you can do along with the future sell or buying of a put option, if you can do with the buying of futures, you can say if you are buying a future along with the put option or selling a future with a call option purchase, so that will be proper hedging thing. But you can also write some options along with the future if you want. So this is the level we have got today, and this is the analysis we have got. If you could have used our software, then you could have seen that all targets based on the opening level, all targets are achieved. So 16,135 was our first three cycle termination. Post that, so we are getting a new cycle, which you cannot get it in that web calculator. We are getting it a new cycle. Since all the things it has penetrated, it is going for a new build up of another three cycles. So another three cycles in this you can say that 16,163, this is the level happened. So now if I am going for the Bank Nifty, let me see what Bank Nifty can give me. So let me see what Bank Nifty can provide me here. So Bank Nifty, if I can just load the data and see this here. So that too also the first three cycles in the uptrend, it is already over as per our software. So whatever the value you are seeing here, it is the post first three cycles. Means based on open price, we have calculated all three cycles. Those three cycles well penetrated. Once all those three cycles penetration happened, so we are getting a fresh calculations, and that calculations gives us this new cycles. So this is how you should do the calculations using our trend forecast, using the natural constant. It is one of the fantastic method of trend forecast. So I appeal all of you, please follow this. So it is a very simple method. Do spread a word, share this link with your friends so that they should do the trend analysis. And if you want the annual volatility calculations, please make it ready. Whatever the stocks annual volatility you want, you just use this tool, calculate all volatility. So keep ready all those volatility in your hand. If you manual tool you are using, and when the market opens, that time opening price and annual volatility, feed it and get the new levels. You can use it for commodities, you can use it for currencies too. So keep using this thing, experience this tool. If you have a good feeling about this particular web calculator, if you are happy with its success and penetrations and markets true forecasting behavior, then do share this link with your friends. So that is also will make this tool more popular and people also will know more about this. So it is a free to use tool, and those who are using our paid software, they do not have to follow this web software. They do not have to punch any data. So this is all things is having there. So the paid software having a stock scanner, the stock scanner means it will give you the stocks which is suitable for intraday. It has many other one-standard deviation analysis, Fibonacci analysis, Elliott analysis, Cambrita pivot, Gann-Angle volatility. It has a summary tab to tell you that which are the how many suggestions are in the favor of buy, how many are in the favor of sell. So this too also is there. It has an option scanner to guide you what are the options you can trade. Many other features the paid tool has. However, if you cannot afford to buy this tool, so this tool costs you near to 10,620 per year. So you can very well use this web tool. Web tool will give you close similar to that accuracy, and you need to punch some data and you need to get this reading beforehand. So web tool has a different certain limitations, and automated tool does not have those limitations. So keep following this, and if you like this video, please do give a like in this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.